Welcome to the eLogic Modern Selling for Manufacturing series. In this video, I'm going to cover how the sales team can more effectively collaborate with engineering. And I'm going to focus on three key topics. Number one, we're going to look at how the actual engineering and sales team can collaborate more effectively on key accounts and key opportunities. Next, we're going to look at how we can review design specs together and ensure that we're getting sign-off in a timely basis. And number three, we're going to look at how we can actually update the engineering team with things like sales wins and other key data from CRM or from Advantage so that they can keep informed and up to date on what's going on with those key accounts. So let's go back into Advantage and have a look. So I'm logged back into Advantage, but in this particular case, because I'm working with the engineering team, I want to take the work effort right to where they work day in and day out, and that's typically in Microsoft Teams. And as I go into Teams, I can see that many of our major accounts have been set up with a Teams site. So as I go into the Medtronic account here that I want to collaborate with engineering on, I can look at a lot of the information around posts and files and things. I can also bring up the actual account record from Microsoft Dynamics 365 directly in Teams so I can collaborate with the engineering team around a couple of these key opportunities. And as I pull up the actual accounts, I can see that the AI assistants tell me that one of those opportunities that I want to work on is actually closing soon. So I can go ahead and quickly open up that opportunity and I can review that with the engineering team. I can show them a lot of the key information that we've been tracking. I can show them where we are in the sales stage of close. We've got a couple of key things here left to do in order to get the spec out the door to close this opportunity. So I'm going to pop over to the files area. And with the team, I can now show them some of the specs that we've been working on, and we can collaborate here real time together. So I can open up one of the key specs here that I need final sign off from the actual team from. I can go ahead and edit this document in real time, and I can have the engineering group on the actual document here with me and making changes on the fly, or I can leave them some comments and I'll make sure that they're actually looking at this. And when I tag them on a comment, they'll get notified and they can go in and look at these specific areas I want them to look at. So I need Mark over in engineering to have a review of this. And so when I tag him here on the comment, he'll get notified and he can go in directly and see where I want him to go and have a look. Next, I want to collaborate with the engineering team here just on chat. And so I can let Ulrich know, the engineering manager, to review project 221. And even if I want to, just because I need Mark and Ulrich to both look at this, I can leave them a one question poll just to find out when they've done it so that we can make sure that everything gets approved here effectively. And so when I fill out this one question poll for them, it'll pop it here inside of chat on Teams. And then once they go and fill it out, we'll know that they've both approved it and we can go ahead and get this proposal out to the customer themselves. Now, the final thing I want to do here is I want to make a quick call out to my key contact over at Medtronic just to let them know how we're doing on the spec, and then we'll have this over to them tomorrow. So as I come over to back to the account record and pull up the org chart here, I can see my key contact, Michael Hedges, and I can go in and drill into his contact record. And I can quickly actually make a call here from Teams. And when I do that, it'll pop open a phone call record so I can make a note of the fact that I made a follow-up with him on this. Go ahead and mark that complete. So in summary, that allows me to both collaborate here with engineering inside of Teams on these particular opportunities and keep my customers informed. So the last thing I want to do is I want to show how we can actually keep the engineering team ongoing, updated on what's going on with our opportunities and with our sales wins. And so in our business development team, we are actually posting each time we win an opportunity. We can actually come in here and see those highlights of all those opportunities or those wins. And so this allows engineering to get highlights of what's going on the sales side without actually having to go into Dynamics 365. And with that, I'd like to do a quick wrap up. I want to thank you for watching this brief overview of how the sales team can more effectively collaborate with engineering. If you want to learn more about Advantage for manufacturers, please go to elogic.com/advantage. Thank you.